The monsoon session of the Indian Parliament is currently underway alongside an array of issues ranging from NEET paper leak case and railway safety will be up for a debate. 6 bills are expected to be presented in this session. This includes the Finance Bill, which will implement the tax proposals included in the budget, the Disaster Management Amendment Bill, which is expected to bring more clarity in roles of organizations working in disaster management, the Coffee Promotion and Development Bill, and the Rubber Promotion Bill as well. Apart from this, to replace the bills that dates back to the pre-independence era, one of them is the Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak 2024, which will replace Aircraft Act of 1934. This is set to provide provisions for ease of doing business in the civil aviation sector. In addition, the Boilers Bill will replace the Indian Boilers Act of 1923, which was enacted to secure life and property from steam boiler explosions. Meanwhile, ahead of the Union Budget, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has released the Economic Survey on Monday. The survey says that India's GDP is set to grow at 6.5% to 7% in the current fiscal year. It also added that the capital markets will drive India's growth story. Further, FDI inflows from China can help India's participation in global supply chain and also boost exports. Sitharaman will be presenting the Union Budget for a record 7th time on Tuesday. The upcoming budget will have a set of new schemes that will counter unemployment and other issues in the country. It will also be the first major policy announcement under the Narendra Modi-led NDA government, which secured a 3rd term in May. Ahead of the monsoon budget, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the media. In his address, he asked parties to show unity and work for the government of farmers, youth and the country for the next 5 years.
आइए हम आने वाले 4 साढ़े 4 साल दल से ऊपर उठ करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ देश को समर्पित होकर के संसद के इस गरिमापूर्ण मंच का हम उपयोग करें। जनवरी 29 जब चुनाव का वर्ष होगा, आप उसके बाद जाइए मैदान में, सदन का भी उपयोग करना है कर लीजिए। वो 6 महीने जो खेल खेलने खेल लीजिए, लेकिन तब तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ देश के गरीब, देश के किसान, देश के युवा, देश की महिलाएं, उनके सामर्थ्य के लिए, उनको एम्पावर करने के लिए जन भागीदारी का एक जन आंदोलन खड़ा कर करके 2047 के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए हम पूरी ताकत लगाए।